crazy. Okay, it's looking a little bit sad. Today I desperately need to reset my whole entire life. Ems, you have a lot to say. What do you have to say to the camera? Very wise. We love that. But I am in desperate need of a massive reset today. Like my room right now, it's bad. My guest room, my lounge room, like, oh my, everything. And like, I'm a person that can't function when their environment is messy. I can't think straight. I'm unmotivated. I feel grumpy and angry. And I'm just like, I'm not myself. I'm not my best version when my environment is dirty, ugly, and disgusting. So we are going to change that today because I'm starting to feel slumpy again. And I know it's because my environment sucks right now. This girl. Anyway, I am going to clean the living area first. It is the worst. I go out there and I just hate every minute. I hate every single minute of being out there. So,
who is this diva?
I'm gonna clean that first because I feel like it's giving me the most grief. It's giving me the most mental blockage. And then I'm gonna come back in here and I'm gonna clean everything. I'm also gonna take the birds out into the lounge room so they can chill with me, I guess, I don't know. And then bring them back in here, clean their bird cage. You know how it works. All right, I'm gonna do the bird cage and then I can put them out in the sun because it's a gorgeous day outside. So let's clean this and then the girls can go spend some time in the sunshine.
Oh hey. Dumb bitch missed a spot. So ugly, right?
What are you doing? Leave your sister alone. Oh my gosh, go Emmy. Oh, that was very short. Splish splash. Wow. So I'm gonna deal with the clothes first. I feel like that is the smartest thing to do. You know, get rid of the massive clutter sitting in this corner, which is the clothes horse. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna pop on some music and let's do this bitch. You know what, I don't even care. I'm shaming my dad for this because let me just rant for a second. It's fucking crazy. We have a window inside our house. But anyway, our laundry is there, right? It's right there. It walks through the door, bam. Anyway, my dad leaves his socks here every single day. Every single day. And I've told him countless times, man, it's literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 steps to the laundry from the door. And he always puts his socks. It just drives me mad, you know, it drives me absolutely bonkers. My top is so dirty, but anyways, the show must go on because we've cleaned this area, but now I've got to clean this area, meaning I've got to do the windows. It's been a unholy amount of time since I've cleaned the windows and decobweb them. I'm just gonna like decobweb the roof as well because we have a lot of spiders moving in and they're not paying rent, so we're gonna evict these motherfuckers. Let's go. I'm so proud of this area. Like, I haven't done anything to it other than fill this vase with cute little flowers, turn the LED candles on and clean the area, but I'm so proud. I feel so good right now. Like, my head clear, my heart happy, but I'm not even finished. I still have the guest room and my room to clean. Okay, welcome to my outdoors. I don't have gardening gloves, so these are gonna have to do. They're just like heavy duty cleaning gloves. I don't know. They're very bright orange. Crazy. I also just put on like an old hoodie because obviously we're about to get dirty, and we're gonna plant my little basil. Are you guys ready? This is what my old basil looks like. She's dead. She is beyond dead, to be honest. Like, I know what you're thinking. Okay, this lighting sucks. Number one. The fuck? Number two, yes, I'm a plant killer. I'm a plant killer. But I'm not gonna, I don't want to kill this basil. Okay, it just happens. I'm just gonna. That was easy. I think this is better lighting, so I'm just gonna pop this in the gardening bin and get some more soil, plant my new basil plant, and hopefully it doesn't turn out like this. Wish me luck, I guess. Filled that up with some soil. Grab my little basil plant. Okay, she's looking a little bit sad, but once I get some water into it, it should be fine. Have I already killed it? I don't even know. I can't even see. Any tips and tricks on how to keep a basil alive? Let me know, please. I'm just gonna ignore all the dead plants underneath there, but there's my basil, which is cute. Damn. I just caught myself scrolling for the past half an hour, so I'm gonna stop that and I'm gonna clean my freaking room, okay? That's gonna happen. We're doing it. I'm putting you in the tripod and we are cleaning my room, okay? First, we're gonna put these on. I'm gonna tackle this first because desk is actually so ruined. Like, it's got oil stains on it. I don't even know how to get rid of that. And then like all these scratches and everything. She's not as cute as she used to be, but it's a desk and that's all that matters. Well, it's not a desk, it's a vanity, but you get what I'm saying. Okay, I literally just made myself like the quickest lunch ever. This is kind of just anybody who makes sushi for a living, please don't come at me. I know you're mad. I know you're so mad. I cannot be bothered like cooking rice or like rice noodles or anything to fill this sushi with. I say sushi so lightly because this is not even sushi. This is like, this gives sushi like no respect. It's kind of like embarrassing. Sometimes I just can't be bothered and I feel like sushi, and like I love seaweed, I love carrot, I love cucumber. So I combine it together. This looks so stupid, but trust me, when I'm in a rush and I just need something good, this is what I eat. And plus like little cucumbers. And I use vegan aioli because I hate egg. And I literally just put it on one of them and then it's crunch time, you know, it's go time. This is my snack. So I'm gonna be having my lunch now and then I'll get back to cleaning very, very soon. All right, we're gonna vacuum this bitch. Gonna open the air purifier because this is always so bad because I have two birds that are very dusty and this is where all the dust goes. Actually, it's not too bad. I only cleaned it like a month ago, I think, and that's okay. I'm gonna vacuum all this off. It kind of just gives longevity to the air purifier. But yeah, that's just 100% bird dander. Just gonna pop that back on there. Stunning. Okay, air purifier. Fresh. We're gonna turn that off though because it's so loud. But yeah, my room is all vacuumed now. Looking good. I'm now going to go into the guest room and do the same thing. The guest room is the worst part. It's just the room where we put all of our junk, all of our random stuff that we don't know where to put yet, and it's just, it has been bombarded with just random stuff. So let me show you what we're working with. Okay, zero judgment for this room, okay, because it's just gotten so bad, but there's a couple of factors to put into play here, right? Number one, Tyler has been sick for the last week or so. He's just had like the man flu and he hasn't been his best self to like be clean and everything. That's so fine. Like when you're sick, you do not care about anything, right? Number two, we have had a lot of like, it's just best to explain, okay? These two bags here are Kmart bags. I'm keeping them for a haul, so they're in here. Tyler's suit that he wore to his ball the other night and he just hasn't done anything with it, so it's just chilling there. These are all my clothes I have to put away. We will be getting to that very soon. Those are Tyler's clothes he has to put away. He's been practicing guitar, so he just has his guitar here. And he's been selling things on Marketplace, so he just kind of put them there. Like, when I tell you this is the room where we just put random stuff, this is the room. Okay, and then obviously our gaming setups, this is where we game, this is where we are a majority of the time, and it just gets a little cluttered, a little messy. So I'm gonna pop my headphones on and I'm just going to tackle this room, and we have a lot to deal with, so let's do it. Oh my god, we have a bed? What do you mean? I'll deal with these in a hot minute once I film my Kmart haul, but like, we are clean. I'm so happy about this room. Like, a clean room equals a clear mind, and I'm feeling so clear right now. I'm feeling good. And now to deal with all this. My least favorite chore is putting away clothes. The worst. So let's do this. tips on how to make a rug fluffy again. Like, I miss my rug so much. She used to be gorgeous, but just because it's in the middle of the room where people are walking all the time, I just feel like it's not as cute as it used to be, obviously. Like, it used to look like this, nice and soft, nice and cute, and now it looks like this. So if anyone has some hot tips on how to make a rug nice and fluffy again, hit me up because I need to know. I miss my soft fluffy rug. It's not the same anymore. It's not the same. I don't know about this angle, but anyway, I read this hot tip just then. I literally just Googled it, saying if you put a towel over the rug and then grab like an iron. I don't have an iron, but I have a garment steamer. I assume this will do the same thing. And just kind of like heat it up and then run a comb through it. It should be okay. We're gonna try this, and it's either going to be a massive fail or it's going to work, and we're both going to find out. I hope we can bring my rug back to life because I miss it so much. I miss the fluffiness, and I'm just really hating it at the moment because it looks really like rugged and gross, and I'm just like, what the hell? This is not the rug I purchased. To be fair, it's like 2 years old, but I'm upset. All right, we're steaming. I don't really know what I'm doing here. I'm just ironing the towel. Probably need like a specific hairbrush. I just have this one. I don't know if it's gonna like... Wait a minute, this actually might be doing something. This is actually bringing out so many little crumbs that the vacuum just did not pick up. Like, it's kind of gross how much this rug was just hoarding. But it's definitely feeling so much softer. We have the tactic, guys. Like, I've only done this part at the moment. I've still got to do this area, but look at all the stuff that has come out of the rug. Like, that is crazy. I mean, obviously there would be things in there because it's like quite a thick rug, but you just don't think about it. And now I am definitely going to be adding brushing my rug to my monthly chores because, wow, this has opened my eyes. But now I've got to try and rezhuzh this part. Hopefully I can. Looks so much better. It's obviously not perfect, but it's so much better than what it was. Like, I don't think it's ever going to be as perfect as it was brand new, but this is pretty good. The way I am actually so exhausted right now is ridiculous because I feel like I haven't done a lot to be this exhausted, but at the same time, I've done a lot. Like, what am I talking about? But I feel really, really happy and exhausted, but mainly happy because my space is clean. Everything feels so pristine and nice again. And I just, like, the carpet, especially, not the carpet, the rug especially, I'm so happy with how that turned out. Like, it's not perfect, but oh my god, it made a difference. I'm so satisfied and fulfilled, and my mind feels so clear right now. Like, it's crazy how much my environment impacts my mental health and like my mental focus and my clarity. Like, it's crazy. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give me a like and subscribe down below, and be sure to check out my other videos as well because it supports me so much. Your support honestly means the world to me, and it helps me create these videos that you love and enjoy. If you made it this far in the video, be sure to leave this emoji in your comments. I want to see it. Also, I might stop uploading twice a week again, so keep an eye out for that. But bye.